Hi friends, my name is Sandhya Dimbar. Today's date is 6 August 2022. Today's video topic name is encapsulation in Java. I am making this video in a second time. So first we will discuss about what is encapsulation in Java. Encapsulation in a Java is a process of wrapping code and data together into a single unit. For example, a capsule with the mix of several medicines. We can create a fully encapsulated class in Java by making all data members of the classes private. Now we can use getter and setter method to set and get the data in it. The Java Bean class is the example of fully encapsulated classes. Next is a encapsulation is defined as the wrapping up to data under the single unit. It is a mechanism that bundles together code and the data it manipulates. Another 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 way to think about the encapsulation is that it is the protective cells that prevent the data from beginning access by the code outside the shell. Then technically in encapsulation, the variable of data of a classes is hidden from any other classes and can be accessed only through any member function of it on class in which it is declared. As as in encapsulation, the data is a classes hidden from other classes using data hiding concept, which the achieve by making the data member of method of a classes private, and class is the exposed together end user or the world without providing any details behind implementation using the abstraction concept. So it is also known as combination of data hiding and abstractions. Encapsulation can be achieved by declaring all variables in class as a private and return public method in the class is class to get and set and get the values of variables. It more defined with the setter and getter methods. First, setter method is also called as accessor method, and getter method is also called as mutator method. So first, accessor method is the method that reads the instance of variable in write and access the method. Then mutator method is read instance variable and also modify the values. We can easily identify to the get because method is prefixed within the word of set. It also known as setter or modifiers. It's all about the encapsulation in Java. Thank you.